In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use margin Charles Schwab. Using margin at Charles Schwab means you're borrowing money from Schwab using your investments as collateral. It can increase your buying power, but it also increases risk because losses can grow faster too. Think of it like this. With a regular cash account, you can only invest the money you deposit. With a margin account, Schwab may let you buy more than your cash balance by lending against eligible securities. For example, if you deposit $5,000, you might be able to purchase around $10,000 worth of positions, depending on requirements and the specific holdings. First, you'll need to enable margin. Go to the official website, log in, and open your account settings. Look for the section labeled Margin and Options, submit the application, and wait for approval. To actually borrow, you generally need at least $2,000 in cash or marginable securities in the account. Approval times can vary, and eligibility is subject to Schwab's policies. Next, learn how your buying power is displayed. After approval, your balances will show your cash balance, margin buying power, and available funds. Cash is what you deposited or have from sales. Margin buying power reflects how much you can purchase using the loan. Available funds is a quick snapshot of how much capacity you have for new trades or withdrawals. You can use these amounts to buy stocks with borrowed money, use unsettled proceeds more flexibly, or temporarily borrow cash against holdings. Then, place a margin trade. On the app or website, go to Trade, enter the stock or ETF symbol, choose Buy, set the quantity, and review the order. If your purchase is larger than your cash balance, the system will automatically borrow on margin to complete the trade. Before you submit, review the order ticket and confirm the estimated impact on buying power so you know how much you are borrowing. Finally, pay close attention to interest. Margin is a loan, and interest accrues daily on any debit balance you carry overnight. Schwab's rates vary by the size of the balance and can exceed 10% annually. If you open and close positions within the same day and end with no debit balance, you typically avoid interest. Keep in mind that rates can change, costs can compound if unpaid, and market swings can magnify both gains and losses when you use leverage. That's the process. Enable margin, understand your buying power, place trades thoughtfully, and monitor interest so you borrow deliberately and stay in control.